Hello, sir. We from Group Energy, and for this moment, we will to discuss about the energy. And our team is the first presentation is Rida Rahma, and the second one is Roland Rafliwan. The third is Rahmat Faiz, and the last one is Yunita Ekariski. So, we will to continue to the first presentation. For Rida Rahma, time is yours.
Okay, I'm gonna explain to you about the definition of energy. So, what the definition of energy, what the meaning of energy. So, the word of energy comes from the ancient Greek energia, meaning activity operation, which likely first appeared in the works of Aristotle in the 4th century BCE. Unlike the modern definition, energia was a broad, qualitative, philosophical concept. Next slide. In the late 17th century, Gottfried Leibniz proposed the Latin term vis viva or living force, which was defined as the product of an object mass and the square of its velocity. He believed that the total vis viva was conserved to account for the slowing effect of friction. Leibniz theorized that the thermal energy consisted of the random motion of the component making up matter. Although it took over a century for this idea to gain widespread acceptance. The modern analog of this quantity, kinetic energy, differs only by a factor of 1/2. For the next slide, I turn back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Rida Rahma, for the presentation. I will be presentation the next. My name is Ramarko Istri Gunawan, and I will be presentation in 1807. Thomas Young was likely the first person to use the term energy instead of vis viva. Gustav Gaspard Cornelius described kinetic energy in 1829, and William Rankine introduced the term potential energy in 1853. The law of conservation of energy was also first postulated in the early 19th centuries and applies to all isolated systems. It was once debated whether heat was a physical substance or merely a physical quantity like momentum. In 1845, James Prescott Joule discovered the relationship between mechanical work and the generation of heat. In 2009, American government carried out the American Clean Energy and Security Act, which aimed at reducing the greenhouse emission meanwhile stimulating economic growing. At the same time, China pointed out the ratio between renewable energy generation and the total generation shall get to 47% in 2012. Compared with the conventional generation system, at biggest advance of renewable generation system is the poor stability and reliability, with growing size along with economic and environmental pressures. More and more research are busy in coping up with the menace of the system, instability and insecurity. After that, Lee in 2012 proposed a multi-state model to assess a distributed generation system reliability. Expert analyzing the distribution generation system reliability, there are some research who study the hybrid energy system, wind energy, and solar energy. This development led to the theory of energy conservation, formally formulated by William Thomson, Lord Kelvin, within thermodynamic. Thermodynamic provided an explanation for the development of chemical process by Rudolf Clausius, Josiah Willard Gibbs, and Walter Nernst. Clausius also introduced the concept of entropy, and Joseph Stephen present the law of radiant energy. According to Noether's theorem, the law of conservation of energy is a consequence of the fact that the laws of physics are invariant over time. In physics, energy is a physical property of an object that can be transferred through fundamental interaction. It can change from but cannot be created or destroyed. The joule is the SI unit of energy. The SI unit of energy defined as the amount transferred to an object through mechanical work when it's moved 1 meter by a force of 1 Newton. Okay, that's only I can presentation, and the next presentation will be present by the Roland Roughly one. For Roland Roughly one, times is yours.
Okay. War and head are two examples of processor of mechanisms that can transfer a certain amount of energy. The second law of thermodynamics limit the amount of work that can be obtained through heating. Some of the energy will always be lost, always heat. The maximum amount that can be used for work is called available energy. System such as mechanics and living organisms requiring available energy, not just any form of energy. Mechanical energy and other form of energy can be directly converted into heat energy without specific limitation. Next. There are various forms of energy, but all types of energy must meet certain conditions. They must be convertible into other form of energy, obey the law of conservation of energy, and be capable of causing change in object with mass to which the energy is applied. Common forms of energy include kinetic energy from moving objects, radiant energy from light, and electromagnetic radiation. Potential energy stored in object due to its position, such as in a gravitation, electric or magnetic field, and thermal energy, which consists of the microscopic kinetic and potential energy from the random motion of particle. Uh, that's that's all the presentation for me. I return to moderator.
Okay, thank you for Roland Rafli one. And the last presentation will be the presenting by the Unita Ekariski. For the Unita, times is yours.
Hello everyone. First of all, thank you to the moderator, and I will continue the presentation here. Specific types of potential energy include elastic energy caused by stretching of deformation of solid object and chemical energy, such as the release of heat when fuel is burned. Any object with mass at rest possesses rest mass energy, which is equivalent to its rest mass. Although this is not usually considered in everyday classical physics phenomena. Energy is expressed in joules G. The use of this unit is named in honor of James Prescott Joule for his experiment on the mechanical equivalent of heat. In more fundamental terms, 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton meter, and in SI base unit, 1 G equal to 1 kilogram meter square per S square. And thank you. I return back to the moderator.
Okay. Thank you for Unita Ekaris. Thank you, Unita Ekariski, for the presentation. Okay. I think that's only we can presentation and discuss about the energy. We sorry for the mistake in the presentation. Thank you for the attention and goodbye.